You got something to say?
With my dad got some stripes on here, gold stripes.
Yeah, you like them? All right, so anyway, I'm about to head to the shop where I got these stripes done, because I don't know, like, you know, everybody, they like the stripes and stuff like that, but I just feel like I'm starting to think I want to go on the inside of the stripes too, because you look at it like this, it's almost like one piece, like a one piece, right? Even though it's split, because the gold is on the outside, it just the stripes look kind of skinny. So I'm about to go and see what it looked like with the gold on the inside, and I may just do the gold, you know, from the front all the way to the back. So I'm kind of pressed for time because I'm trying to get this done, and if I get this done in enough time, I'm gonna be able to go put my wheels on as well. You see the car is dirty as shit. I don't know if the camera picking it up. You see it's basically all dirty. So if I'm able to get these stripes on here in enough time, then I'm gonna go and get the wheels, you know, if I got enough time. And then I'm gonna just go to a little car wash, you know, knock all this dirt off real quick, and then show y'all what it look like. But y'all see, man, got the stripes. If you ain't seen my last video, go ahead and beat that. It's been raining back to back. It's gonna rain again, but I don't care. I just wanna knock all this. It's raining now. It just started raining. But let me go ahead and crank this car up so I get down to the shop real quick. Get all this quick little cold start. Hey, fix your jacket. Put your jacket on. Go ahead, crank the car up real quick. Press it twice. Press the button twice. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and add the inner stripe, man, cause I don't know, I just need that pop. I need that more pop over there. See what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the inner stripes from the back all the way to the front. It's getting the measurements and stuff, because like I said, it was just looking too skinny for me. And yeah, I know you see, like when you get it from the dealership, this part be cut right here and be a little space right here, and that's probably why, you know, it look kind of skinny. But I ain't want my shit like, you know, how you get it from the factory, because this ain't from the factory, man. It's custom shit. 3M hit style, they don't got that stuff, man. I need custom shit. Like I say, hopefully if I get this done in time, I'll be throwing my wheels on too. Then, you know, later on we gonna come back with all this shit that we doing on the side. So I don't got time today. Man, y'all see what's on the feet with something like taxi with. But yeah, man, I'll let y'all know when it's done, show y'all what it's looking like. But go ahead, if you're in Vegas, pull up to the shop, man. Hermagraphix, like I said in my last video, all the information be down below in the description. Like I said, quick service, good quality, right here, Hermagraphix, man. We back at it. Damn, almost done, boy. See, got the middle hidden. Coming to the last part, man. Just gotta do the back. Well, just got back to the house. Called the shop about the wheels, and I can't get them put on today, but so I'm gonna go ahead and end this part of the video. I'll pick it up tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the stripes. You know, I got the stripes retuned, you know. Basically, I just, you know, I finessed them a little bit more. But like I said, I'm gonna put the wheels on tomorrow, because the shop is basically like, they ain't be able to do it today. So you see I got the gold trim on the inside now. Y'all let me know down below if y'all think it was better with just to go on the outside, or you like it better, you know, with the gold on the inside. Like I said, I just left the shop. This is real quick for them to do, because like I said, I already had the stripes down. I had to go on the outside, and I was just sitting in the house, and I just kept thinking. I was like, you know what? I just want to put the gold on the inside. I think it just looked way better. So, but like I said, y'all let me know down below if y'all think it looked better with just the gold on the outside, or, you know, you think it just looked way better with the gold on the inside. I'm gonna try to put the clip in of the night part, you know, when it get dark outside, because you know the sun's still out. But you know, when it become nighttime, I go ahead and show y'all like I did in the last video with the light, so you can see how it's like, you know, the 3M hits from the back to the front. Wheels going on tomorrow, and you know, pick up this shit tomorrow, man. Be back. All right, man. This dude over here fucking leaf blowing. Look, all right, I'm about to head to the shop, get these wheels on. Like I said, it's a new day because yesterday I didn't get it done. Give y'all a quick walk around real quick, man. Car dirty as shit, so I'm trying to put these wheels on and then go wash it before y'all show y'all, you know, what wheels I got. If you've been following my channel, you probably know what wheels I got because I kind of said it before, but like I said, these coming off. I'm about to put some new shits on here. About to head to the shop now. All right, man, I'm at Discount Tire, dog. I went to the last place and they was on bullshit. Dude told me one price on the phone. I got there and he was like, oh, he knew or whatnot. So I'm about to leave my car up here. I'm not even about to like record the process because they're gonna take too long. But like I said, swapping the wheels out. Just gave them the wheels, the key. So I'm gonna come back up here in like an hour and a half and show y'all, you know, the car and shit. All right, this is the last video. This is like day 3, because you know I got the stripes done. You follow my car Instagram, put that down right here. You know I got the stripes done on Thursday, and then I went back and got them edited on Friday, and I tried to get the rims the same day, but they said it's getting late, you know, they about to close and shit. So I went back to a different shop, as you seen earlier in the video. See, I'm starting to forget what I said because this video is like broken up to 2 or 3 different days. But I went and got the rims put on yesterday, and the original place I went to, they were just on bullshit. So now I'm going to the second place. Like you seen, I got the rims put on. So I'm about to go ahead and show y'all the rims, because you know I'm tired of people, like, if I say, like, if I put something on Instagram and say like I'm about to show y'all something, don't DM asking like, you know, what it is, because the video coming, the video's on the way. But let me go ahead and show y'all. So I did wipe the car off a little bit, man. You know, I got the stripes, you know, front to back, bam. So yeah, we got the stripes done, got the wheels put on. Go ahead and show y'all the wheels. Like I said, if you've been following my channel, you probably already know what wheels I got. But bam, got the HELLCAT replicas, 5-star, satin black concave. And I did go ahead and keep the original tires on right now, just because these tires are brand new. I'm not about to buy some wider tires and put these in the garage, let them go to waste. So I'm gonna ride through these, and when I ride through them, I'm gonna go ahead and put, like, you know, 275s in the back. This is 9.5 inch rim, so I can go wider, but you know, just because I'm not really pressed about, you know, racing and shit like that. I just want a little bit wider than these 245s. 275s, that'd be perfect on these pretty much. So see, you got them right here. I did get these from factory reproductions, you know, so I'll put a link down. Main reason I went with these wheels because I wanted some black 5-star concave wheels, and I wasn't going 22s because a long time ago I wanted 22s, but I said fuck it, I want to still be fast pretty much, which you can get like 22s, but they just way too expensive. It's not that important to me. I like the way these rims look. I really wanted these on my last car, and I said shit, this gonna even go even better with this one, because you know I got the matte black stripes and I got the matte black rims, and I did tint out these side markers right here, the back, and then front right here as well. And I still gotta do the back because, you know, shit, I ran out of time, I got lazy, but I still need to do the back. But you see the cars coming together, man. Scat is coming together. Y'all let me know down below, you know, if you think, you know, what you think about these wheels. I really like these wheels, man. I like that concave look. 5-star, man. These shit just look way better. If you don't know, my last rims was like gray, like, you know, they don't look right. So I am gonna get some matte black wheel nuts or whatever. But like I said, I just switched the tires out, the rims out. I wasn't thinking about these lug nuts at first, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch these out and get these in black or whatever. Or I may actually do the spike things, I'm not for sure, but you see, still got way more shit to do to the car. Like I said, I got the stuff coming on the side, but my main thing was putting these stripes on and switching wheels out. And like, you know, I really like how these look over the gray wheels, man. These just look way better. These like these should cream on the car, man. Y'all let me know, man. I'll try to get some angles in here. Yeah, man, this shit just Damn, man. These look way better, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know down below if you like the ones I already had on there, or you like these better, man. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, these are the HELLCAT replicas, 9.5, 20-inch. Still got 245s in it, and you know, that's pretty much it. Y'all see it. Give you one last walk around. Let me see if I get the camera, get some angles in here, man. Definitely follow my car Instagram if you're not already, because I'm about to post some pictures. So shit, it's gonna be on the ground first. I still got to edit this video up and shit like that. So
was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96.